there. Oh. Hey, that's my, ow, stop. No, my foot. My foot, my legs. Will you quit circling me like a shark? It's really hard to get a clear picture. Hello. What? What was that? What was that? What was that? Yeah. I'm not going to encourage that because that hurts. You want to wrestle, wrestle with your sister. Sorry, I have not uploaded in a while. Life has gotten a little messy, but we're working on it. Okay, y'all need to stop circling me. I need to be on the outside. That's what needs to happen, apparently. Because they're getting around behind me so that they could chew on my legs. They are intensely interested in Mama's toes.